Most of y'all know Murrells Inlet is the seafood capital of South Carolina. Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and we're down here in beautiful Murrells Inlet, about 10 miles from Myrtle Beach, and we're going to count down our top 6 Murrells Inlet seafood restaurants right here.
That's right, Murrells Inlet. It's 10 miles south of Myrtle Beach, and usually we hang out around the Marsh Walk, but this part of the Grand Strand has much to offer. Today, we're going to venture off a little bit. We're going to show you some of the best places that you can find to eat that are not on the Marsh Walk.
So with all that being said, let's go count them down. I'm hungry.
Starting our list at number 6 is Neil's Creek House. Neil's is located at 3797 US 17 Business in Murrells Inlet, South Carolina. They offer great food, cold drinks, and lots of great music. Neil's is actually brand new. It's the sister hotspot of the popular Neil and Pam's in Surfside Beach. But being new doesn't slow them down. Along with all the drinks you can order, they have appetizers, handhelds, and of course seafood. They even have gator bites and fried bologna sandwiches. So, grab a bite, something cold, and gaze out at the marsh while listening to some of the best music around. That's Neil's Creek House in Murrells Inlet, coming in at number 6 on the countdown, where their motto is, low tides, high spirits. Check their website for hours and days of operation. Stopping at number 5 is Back Home BBQ. The Back Home is located at 3750 US 17 Business in Murrells Inlet, South Carolina. They offer a delicious breakfast buffet with bacon, sausage, country fried steak, pancakes, grits, scrambled eggs, and much more. And they have a lunch and dinner country buffet with chicken bog, mashed potatoes, collards, mac and cheese, pork chops, green beans, flounder, shrimp, and more. They also have daily items like meatloaf, stew beef, and fajita stir fry for a few examples, and dinner specials. They offer a la carte items and they cater. So come get some great country cooking at Back Home BBQ in Murrells Inlet that's at number 5 on the countdown. Check their website for hours and days of operation. Coming in at number 4 on the list is the Gulf Stream Cafe. The Gulf Stream is located at 1536 South Waccamaw Drive, Garden City, South Carolina. Yes, this may have a Garden City address, but it sits on the beautiful main creek in Murrells Inlet, directly across the water from the Marsh Walk. This location is known for its picturesque waterfront views and authentic coastal cuisine. The laid-back atmosphere complements fresh seafood and southern favorites. You'll find choice options like broiled lobster tail, creamy she crab soup, and jumbo lump crab cakes. And it's one of the few places around where you can watch the beautiful sunset from a rooftop deck. That's a look at the Gulfstream Cafe at number 4 on the countdown. Check their website for hours and operation. Making it to number 3 is the Southern Hops Brewing Company. Southern Hops is located at 5148 Highway 17 Business, Murrells Inlet, South Carolina. They specialize in craft brewed beer and handcrafted food. They're locally owned and operated and focus on using local products, brewing quality handcrafted beer, and promoting local bands. And they do all this in a laid-back, friendly atmosphere. They offer specialty pizzas, burgers, calzones, sandwiches, and more. They also promote a taste of Southern hospitality to everyone who walks through their doors. The times and days vary, so check their website for hours and operations. That's a look at Southern Hops Brewing Company in Murrells Inlet at number 3 on the countdown. Climbing to number 2 is the Quay Seafood Grill. The Quay is located at 1508 South Waccamaw Drive, Murrells Inlet, South Carolina. Located right beside the Gulfstream Cafe in the middle of the Marlin Quay Marina. This combined 4-story restaurant bar store facility sits many guests indoors and outdoors on the top 2 levels, with the second floor as the store. And the 4th floor is pet friendly. They offer delicious seafood like seared tuna and coconut shrimp, loaded burgers, grilled chicken, and more. With multiple bars, they have any drink you need. So, soak up the warm summer nights with a drink or meal with breathtaking marina and inlet views on their scenic patio. But check their website for hours of operations. That's a look at the Quay Seafood Grill in Murrells Inlet, or Garden City, depending how you look at it, at number 2 on the countdown. And before we share our number 1 place, we'd like to give an honorable mention to the one that didn't make the list this year. None other than Graham's Landing. They may not have made it on our list this year, but they are one of the most popular places that overlooks the beautiful marsh. Graham's Landing is located at 5225 US 17 Business in Murrells Inlet, South Carolina. This is the ideal place for a relaxing dining experience. Their dishes are prepared using fresh local ingredients, cooked in a style uniquely low country. The salty atmosphere and truly amazing views of the Murrells Inlet Marsh serve to set Graham's apart from many other restaurants on the Grand Strand. With a full bar and from seafood to prime rib and grits to home fries, Graham's Landing is the place you'll want to visit time and again, but check their website for hours and operations. That's a look at Graham's Landing in Murrells Inlet as our honorable mention. And while we have you, if you're enjoying the video so far, let us know by hitting the thumbs up button, and if you subscribe to our channel for free, you can keep up with what's going on around the beach, so you can keep beaching. Now let's look who made it to number 1. Coming in at number 1 on our list of the best 6 places to eat in Murrells Inlet that's not on the Marsh Walk is Judy Boons Family Kitchen. Judy Boons is located at 4664 US 17 Business, Murrells Inlet, South Carolina. They are considered a family traditions kitchen. Of course, we are of no relation, so there's nothing biased or sneaky going on here. But if we were related, we'd be eating there every day. They offer a lunch and dinner Southern-style buffet consisting of fried chicken, mashed potatoes, ribs, collard greens, pork chops, green beans, mac and cheese, chicken and dumplings, and much more. With endless entrees, your favorite sides, and desserts, it's a unique family-style setting, like you are in your very own home. They have daily, lunch, and dinner specials if the buffet isn't for you. They are closed on Mondays, so check their website for hours of operation. That's a look at Judy Boons in Murrells Inlet, coming in at number 1 on the countdown this year of the 6 best restaurants to eat that are not on the Marsh Walk.
Well, there you have it. That was the top 6 of 2024 right there in Murrells Inlet. Hope you enjoyed this video as much as we did making it.